as such. Now take the left section of the hair, pull it through the top left side. Take the right section of the hair, pull it through the top left section. Next, we will start off by taking a section in the middle at the back and tie a rubber band to it. In the gap right in the middle, tie a rubber band. Make 2 braids on either side as well, and then make a braid at the bottom. Add some decorative clips all around. Take a section from the left and the right side and then tie it up more towards the right side at the back. Take a section from the right side and pull it through the section that you've created. Repeat this step right underneath it 2 more times until you reach the base of the scalp. Next, take a section of the hair from the left and the right side, tie them both at the back as such. Now, take a section from the left side and then pull it through the top left section. Take a section from the right side, pull it through the top right section. Now, take 2 more sections of the hair, join it at the back and tie a rubber band to it, and then add decorative pins to the top. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, take a section from the left side, pull it through the left section, take a section from the right side, pull it through the right section. Now add a rubber band to the back as such. Take 2 more sections of the hair from either side, pull it through the new section that you've created, and then repeat the step as such. Join it together at the base. Add a decorative pin. Next, we will take the top section of the hair and then make a division in the middle of it, roll the hair in on itself, divide the hair into 2 parts. Now, taking the left side to begin with, make a braid out of it, split it, and then take the hair at the back and then tie it up as such. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, take a section from the left side and the right side and pull it through the new sections that you've created. Take a section from the middle and the back and then add a rubber band to it, divide it into 2 parts and then join them to 2 sections that you've taken on the left and the right side. Roll both of these sections in themselves and then join it at the base as such. Pull it through the other section and then leave it be. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band in the middle of the section. Now roll it over and pull it through. Add a rubber band in the middle section as well, roll the hair in on itself. Next, take a section from the top, add a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself as such. Now take a section from the left side, roll the hair in on itself. Now join both of these sections together and tie a rubber band to it. Make 3 sections out of the hair, add a rubber band in the middle of each of these 3 sections, pull it through the top as such. Now after you pull it through the top, join it all together and comb it into place. Next, leave out a section at the bottom as such and then begin to braid this section of the hair. After you've made the braid, add a rubber band to it and then leave the rest of the hair. Gather the hair together, add a rubber band to the base as such and then wrap the braid around it. Use a bobby pin in order to fasten this in place. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side and then tie a knot with it at the back. Wrap it around the rest of the hair and then add a rubber band at the back of it. Thank you for watching.